everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods Meet the 2025 Xiaomi YU7 Max, where luxury, performance and innovation drive together. In this review, we break down what makes this electric SUV Xiaomi's most compelling EV yet. Close-ups of the clamshell aluminum hood, flush door handles, sculpted lines and LED light clusters, slow-motion detail on the grille shutters and wheel aerospats in action. Let's start with the design. This isn't your typical EV silhouette built on Xiaomi's Medina platform. The YU7 stretches nearly 5 meters in length, precisely 4,999 millimeters long, with a 3,000 millimeters wheelbase, positioning it beyond the footprint of a Tesla Model Y while offering a sleek fastback form that hints at performance without screaming it. It's not just for dramatic effect, it slashes weight and contributes significantly to aerodynamics, helping the CX to drop by roughly 0.02 points, aided further by active grille shutters, door vents and aerodynamic wheel design. Flush illuminated door handles and frameless mirrors deliver visual continuity, while the subtle roof spoiler morphs into a ducktail lip, cohesive elements that enhance both form and function. The YU7 Max rides on larger wheel options, up to 21-inch alloys, underscoring its athletic intent. Step inside, and you're greeted by a tech-centric sanctuary. The Hypervision panoramic display spans the base of the windshield across 1.1 meters, incorporating 3 mini LED panels that deliver crisp high-brightness readouts for speed, navigation, media and more. Almost like an immersive cockpit, the car's domain controller consolidates infotainment, ADAS, communication, and vehicle systems into a single 4-in-1 module. Material quality is top-shelf OEK Class 1 Nappa leather open-pore wood trim, and soft-touch surfaces across high-contact zones elevate the cabin feel. Comfort features go beyond the expected. Front seats boast a zero-gravity posture 10-point massage and power recline. Rear seats recline up to 135 degrees and include individual screens and controls. Under the hood, dual-motor AWD setup delivering 508 kW, 690 PS, and 866 Nm torque. 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.23 seconds. Top speed of 253 km/h. 101.7 kWh NCM battery giving up to 760 km CLTC range. 800V silicon carbide platform enables 5.2C superfast charging, 10 to 80% in 12 minutes, up to 620 km added in 15 minutes. Double wishbone front and 5-link rear suspension with dual-chamber air springs and adjustable dampers. Brembo 4-piston brakes, braking distance just 33.9 m, 100 to 0 km/h. Durability completed a 24-hour endurance run covering 3,944 km to test performance under stress. Range performance is stellar. Despite being tuned for performance, the Max offers an impressive 760 km CLTC range, with its 101.7 kWh NCM battery from CATL, just slightly lower than the standard's 835 km but far surpassing many competitors. A performance SUV needs a chassis that delivers both comfort and control. The YU7 Max features a double wishbone front 5-link rear setup paired with dual-chamber air suspension and continuously adaptive dampers. The steering is neutral and responsive, enhanced by a low center of gravity and nearly 50/50 weight distribution. Fast montage of pre-order numbers. Global map with Me Home Store icons. Headline overlays. Xiaomi's entry into EVs is bold and backed by results. The YU7 family, Standard, Pro and Max, has seen explosive response. Reports cite 200,000 plus bookings in just 3 minutes and 289,000 in the first hour, effectively outpacing its SU7 sedan launch, priced from approximately 253,500 renminbi, $35,000, for standard 279,900 renminbi, $39,000, for Pro, and 329,900 renminbi, $46,000. For the Max. The YU7 Max undercuts many premium rivals while delivering equal or superior performance. Xiaomi's vertical integration, from chips, including 3nm Ring 01, to EV manufacturing, gives it a strategic edge over competitors. With plans for global expansion by 2027 and a combined tech-connected ecosystem, Xiaomi YU7 Max sets a new bar for smart electric SUVs. For more EV insights, comparisons and first drives, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.